Now it's time to configure our toolbar. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to docs.cksource.com, scroll down and go to the developer's guide for CK Editor 3.x version. Now that we are presented with the developer's guide, let's go to the configuration section and click on the toolbar option. Now if we scroll down a little bit, you can see the code of the toolbar snippet settings basically. So if we copy this config.toolbar equals full and then the whole toolbar itself, if we copy all this, go back to our editor, open our CK editor folder, open our config.js. Now I'm going to close the browser here and replace all the placeholders inside of the editor config equals function. Now place the entire content. Make sure that we here, for instance, this gap, this is too long between this opening and closing single quotes. So they have to be, if there is a hyphen, it has to be single quote, hyphen, and single quote straight after, because otherwise it's gonna cause some problems as well later on. Now, which options would you like to remove? I mean, at the moment, if we save the file, we go back to our system, refresh, you can see we've got all of the options presented in our toolbar. I want to remove this option here with all these images, flash, and so on. So if I go back to the editor, I can see this is where we've got it. It's name insert and item starting with image, finishing with iframe. So if I remove all this, now save it. Also, what I want to do is I want to rename this toolbar to, let's say, my toolbar, and make sure that after toolbar underscore replace the full as well with the new name. Okay, now if we save this, refresh the page, you can see this toolbar with the image and iframe and flash is now gone. So you can obviously do these form options are very rarely needed for any of your clients. I'm assuming they won't be building forms from within a WYSIWYG. So again, name, forms, and we've got everything including hidden fields. So if we get rid of all this, save the file, go back, refresh, and hey, it looks a little bit more tidier. So obviously you can remove, add options as you please. So that's everything. If we go to a list of pages, click on edit, the same options are displayed here. So that's everything. Seems to be working. Any questions, leave a comment.